Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In today's video, we'll be looking at a free tool that we can use to analyze or to look at the different features that are associated with our Wi-Fi network. I have the tool open here. The name of the tool is Insider, and this is a free tool that gives you information about not only your Wi-Fi but any Wi-Fi signals that might be available within your range. Now, this is like I said, is a free tool that we can download. And in order to do that, I'll open a browser here. Just type in inside the download in Google. And then, so this is the company that developed the tool, MetaGeek. You can click on this link. I'm running this on Windows, and to download for Windows, just click here. The other thing you'll need to do is you'll need to create an account, and that's what you use to log into to make the tool active. So it tells you the steps here. You need to create an account. This is the account you'll use to log into the tool. And then once it's finished downloading, you just run the app and input whatever login information you entered here when you created your account. So the name of the file that you'll be downloading is going to be insidersetup.exe. So this will be the name of the file right here. Once you have the tool open, you'll see a few columns, the SSID or the service set ID, which is the name of the Wi-Fi, the security, the signal strength, radios, client, channels, mode, maximum rate, and when it was last seen. So for instance, if we wanted to see more information related to this, we'll just click on this view network details and it will show us more information. You can also see here, if you hover your mouse over this padlock, it will tell you what kind of security you're using. And if there's no security like this one, it will say it's no security. And as you can see here, it shows an icon with an open padlock. Another thing that you can get is you can get more information as far as any security issues for a given Wi-Fi network. If you go to this dashboard right here, it gives us some information related to any issues on your Wi-Fi. It says if your security is strong or not. It points out any security risks. And it also gives suggestions on what you can do to improve the strength of your Wi-Fi. Now let's go back to the list. Let's go to see some of the details here. So these are the different radios. We'll go ahead and click one of them. Again, it's going to give you more information, signal strength, minus 35 dBm, the type of security, the channels, the Wi-Fi modes that it supports, maximum data rate. So this one is only up to 1 gig. Then down here you see the channels. It shows you if there's any overlapping. Like for this one, there's quite a few devices that are using, so there's a lot of overlap. And if you see at the 5 gigahertz, there's not as many devices as the 2.5 gigahertz, and there's some that are not being used. So if you wanted to change, you can change and use whichever ones that's not crowded. You can also set it up to show you any clients that are on that network. So that's more information you can get from the tool. Let's go back to the list. So another thing I wanted to touch on was the signal strength. As you can see here, the closer you are to your access point or your wireless router or whatever you're using to get your Wi-Fi signal, you see this is minus 30 and it's always fluctuating. It's not constant. And the farther away you are from it, like this shows that it's quite far from where my computer is. The strength keeps going down and down. So once it gets to, I guess, over minus 95 dBms, that wireless network becomes invisible. It's not reachable. We can't reach that network. So a bonus for this video will be to check your actual Wi-Fi speed. We'll see how to check the speed of your Wi-Fi. And there's different websites you can go to look at how fast you're downloading and how fast you're uploading. So if you go to your browser and search for speed test, you'll see different options or different sites, fast.com, speakeasy. So I'll go with this site right here, fiber.google.com. So click go here. So you might want to do this like 2 to 3 times to kind of get an average of your download and upload speeds. So do again, click on again. So as you can see, the speeds are always varying. They're not always the same, but it kind of gives you an idea, an average. You can take an average and get an idea of your actual download and upload speeds. So that's it for this video. I hope this information has been useful. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks. Bye.